If you're trying to decide between Base44 and Bolt AI, the honest answer is that there is no single outright winner. The better app builder depends on your coding experience, your workflow, and the kind of application you want to build. In this video, I'm going to break down Base44 versus Bolt AI in a simple way so you can figure out which one is the better fit for you. If you find this comparison helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more software tutorials, app builder walkthroughs, and AI tool comparisons. Let's start with Base44. Base44 is usually the better choice for non-technical users. If you want a tool that helps you move fast, build an MVP quickly, and avoid getting stuck in complicated developer setup, Base44 is very appealing. It's designed for people who want to turn an idea into something usable without needing deep coding knowledge. That makes it great for founders, solo creators, and anyone who wants speed and simplicity. Now let's talk about Bolt AI. Bolt AI is generally the stronger option for developers and more complex projects. If you already understand coding, want more control, and need to build something with deeper customization, Bolt AI is often the better fit. It gives technical users more flexibility, which matters a lot when your app needs more advanced functionality or a more tailored build process. So how do you choose? The decision really comes down to one question. Are you a non-technical user trying to launch fast, or are you a developer building something more complex? If you're focused on rapid MVP creation and want the easiest path to getting started, Base44 is probably the winner for you. If you're comfortable with the code and need more power for a larger or more advanced app, Bolt AI is likely the better choice. A simple way to think about it is this. Base44 is about speed and accessibility. Bolt AI is about flexibility and depth. Base44 helps you get moving quickly when you don't want to deal with technical friction. Bolt AI shines when you want more control over the structure and behavior of your application. That means the real winner depends on your situation. If you're a beginner, a startup founder testing an idea, or someone building a quick prototype, Base44 makes a lot of sense. If you're a developer, technical builder, or someone working on a more complex product, Bolt AI is the stronger option. So if you were looking for a single winner, the most accurate answer is this. Base44 wins for non-technical users and rapid MVPs, while Bolt AI wins for developers and complex projects. The right choice depends strictly on your coding experience and the type of application you're trying to build. If this comparison helped you decide, please like this video and subscribe for more AI app builder comparisons, no-nonsense tool breakdowns, and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.